I got the kiddos with me.
Hi.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Fefe. Welcome back to another video. We are heading inside Dollar Tree. I'm about to do a walkthrough. Yes, I'm recording on your phone. Oh, excuse me. Why y'all so loud? Y'all, come on, cut it out. Oh, they got some more stuff in for Valentine's Day. Of course, they got the chocolates. Ooh, lots and lots of balloons. It's about that time. Oh, they got some truffles in here, milk chocolate with caramel filling. And they got the premium milk chocolate. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, they got the a feeder, bird feeder things. Arts and crafts for the garden. Chocolate spoons to make hot chocolates. Like I said in my shorts a while back, they got the for $4.25. Cucumbers, carrots, beans, greens, you name it. What, Olivia?
There's the color purple.
Mm-hmm.
You know, little squishy things.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay, cool. And flowers, of course. And of course, the Easter stuff. Greetings. I'm trying to see what's new. Cute little bunny rabbits up there. And outside door chairs or pot holders or whatever you for the garden for $5. Stackable stools. That's cute. For decor, it says welcome to put on like a door wreath. That is cute. For $5. I like that flower one too. Bunny socks and the little piglets, and I don't know if that's new or not. Oh, what this is, a rat? This look like it. All right, I came back in this aisle. I want to show y'all this cute little signs that they have. While the kids over there looking for a snake. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes. That's cute. And they have a brown one that says "Some bunny loves you." That's cute. With the white flower. They also have the light up 12 count egg string lights for $5. It's a cute welcome sign. What else I have not shown y'all besides those bunnies down there? Follow the bunny. Easter and bliss. And if y'all are into making your own Easter bows, they also have these in here for $3. I like this plaid one and this egg one that they have. Oh, they got different color. I like the glitter one too as well. For those that are into making your own ribbon or bows and stuffed animals for $5. More Easter decor that they have up in here. You know, make Easter baskets and stuff. This owl is so freaking beautiful. Like, that's because the balloons is on top of us. But this is all the Valentine's Day stuff. The tic-tac-toe Valentine 20-piece. That'd be good to give for your classroom, for the kiddos at school or something like that. Or at home, because I like to play tic-tac-toe all day. Me and the kids can play that up. Yeah, they got some cute scarves up in here. That is cute. And some cute Valentine's Day socks. I love some s'mores or something like that. That is cute. And a heart one. Cute bags as well. Y'all, comment down below and tell me how many times I say cute, because I keep saying that word over and over again. I love these signs as well. My kids have paws. Oh, that's cute. Here I go again. Love is all you need. Kiss and Boo XOXO. Ooh, my love. What is this? Oh, you can paint your own thing in here. That's cute with the flowers. That's like, you could do this as an arts and craft piece with your children, especially if you got little ones at home. That'd be a cute and a great project to do as well. My kids love arts and craft. You can do that ages 3 and up. That'd be cute to do. And you can fill those up with candy or whatever, rocks or whatever. you can do with that. Some outdoor decor or inside the home decor. They got the little ice cream houses, cupcake houses or whatever, and of course the frogs. Look at the froggies. Say hello to my little friends. Let me stop. Let me go. House slippers for $5 in different colors. The red and pink trucks right there. This is cute to decorate or to paint, or you can just leave it like that and put it on a stand at your home, or a tabletop, however you want to do it for those that's decorating for Valentine's Day. I'm not doing all that this year. I had jumped right into spring, honey. That's what I'm doing. St. Patrick's Day is my oldest set of twins' birthday, and this is already out. I hope y'all enjoyed this short little vlog of us. Well, actually me showing y'all some new things. Maybe not new to you for those that be in Dollar Tree 24/7, 7 days of the week, but new to me, okay? I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. This your girl Fefe, aka Felicia Michelle, and we will see you when we see you in the next vlog. See you when I see you. What you want to say?
Wait, guys, it's a new tradition.
What's the new tradition?
Something new about 2023. Make sure you're not allergic to sardines. Make sure you're not allergic to unsubscribing, but you have to subscribe though. And second, and make sure you hit that bell.
Don't listen to him. Subscribe, please. And we will see you when I see you. Peace.
Peace.